57% of Americans can't afford a $500 emergency. That's why you need an emergency fund. This is Emergency Fund 101, and you can start with just $5. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how to create a safety net that actually works, even if you're starting with nothing. By the end, you'll have a 3-step plan to protect yourself from unexpected financial disasters. Most people think building an emergency fund means saving thousands overnight. But that's not true. You can start with just $5. The mistake? People wait until it's too late, until the crisis already hits. Let's break it down. Step 1. Understand why this matters. Emergencies don't knock, they kick the door in. Job loss, car breakdown, hospital bills. Your emergency fund isn't for vacations or a sale at Target. It's for survival. Step 2. Set a realistic starter goal. Don't aim for $10,000. Start with $500. That small buffer can stop a small emergency from becoming a big disaster. Cover a flat tire, urgent vet bill, or prescription. No credit card required. Step 3. Separate it from temptation. Open a high-yield savings account. Keep it out of sight. No debit card, no spending access. Online banks like Ally, Capital One, or SoFi offer 4% plus APY. Your money grows while it sits. Now automate it. Set $10, $20, or $50 a week to transfer automatically. You won't feel it disappear, but you will feel the peace it brings. In 3 months, you're halfway to your goal. In a year, you're covered. Want to build it faster? Use found money, your tax refund, a side hustle bonus, cash back from apps like Rakuten or Ibotta. Treat that money like fire and store it safely away. Here's what most people get wrong. They rely on credit cards, but credit cards are not emergency funds, they're debt traps. A $1,000 expense at 25% APR, that becomes $1,280 if you don't pay it off fast. Don't trade one crisis for another. Let's talk about how much to really save. After your first $500, grow it to 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. We're not talking about gym memberships or Netflix. Focus on rent, food, transportation, and utilities. If you spend $2,000 a month, that's a $6,000 safety net. And yes, it's totally doable, but brick by brick. Here's a trick you probably didn't know. Some employers allow split direct deposit. You can send a fixed percentage of your paycheck to your emergency account before it even hits your wallet. Set it and forget it. Life is unpredictable. That won't change, but your reaction to it can. Having an emergency fund gives you freedom to breathe, to think, to make smarter decisions when it matters most. You won't be trapped by the next flat tire or pharmacy run, and the best part? You're not just saving money, you're saving yourself from panic, stress, and regret. Every dollar in that fund is a future panic attack prevented. Start small, stay consistent, build your emergency fund before life forces you to wish you had one. This is Emergency Fund 101, not just advice, your financial seatbelt.